Good afternoon, students. Today we will read The Fun They Had by Isaac Asimov from class 9 English. Before you read this chapter, come to 137 years in future from 2000. It means 2157. This chapter is set in future. Now ICT or integration of computer technology is included in school education, but books are also there, school building is there, human teachers are there. E-education is a part of today's education, but there will be a time you will see the entire lesson, the entire school, the entire evaluation, the reading, the writing, the listening, the speaking, and all those which comes under academics will be E only, like e-book, we have robotic teacher, we have e-evaluation, e-classroom, and all those. Now, let us have a glance of the characters who will play an important role in this chapter. Let us know about the characters who play an important role in the chapter. We have Margie and Tommy, those who are school students. Margie is of 11 years old, Tommy is of 13, and we have the county inspector, whose profession is to supervise the robotic teachers. He is just like an engineer, to repair, to set it right, to rectify the mistakes those come in the e-lesson and the e-classroom. Then we have Mrs. Jones, mother of Margie. Let's know about the learning. Their textbooks are fed in the system. They can move forward, they can come to the back, just like with the movement of the cursor. You can come back to the previous lesson, you can go back to the next lesson. So they find the moving text in their classroom, in the television screen. Of course, they have some challenges in the e-lesson. For example, the history lesson on the part of Tommy goes wrong. The entire lesson goes blank, and it takes 2 months, such a long time, for the county inspector to get it repaired. Then Margie is also having some challenges. For example, her performance in geography lesson goes down gradually, and her mother is highly concerned, is highly worried over the performance of Margie. When this county inspector was invited to set it right, to rectify this, to repair it, he says the problem is not your child's, rather the problem is of the machines. And what's the problem with machines? The problem with machine is that it is so advanced, it is highly advanced than Margie's level. So her performance goes down in each and every exam. Now, one particular concept which improves and accelerates the development of the story is an old book. And Tommy has found an old book. It is of their forefathers' time, very old, when there was no e-school and no e-teacher. Human humans were the teacher and school buildings were the school only. This is a very old book, and Margie has some apprehension. She says, can a man be a teacher? How can a man come to our house and teach us? Because Margie's school is just beside her living room. And it is not the human teacher. How can a teacher, man teacher, human teacher teaches in the classroom? And this is about single book, but we have millions of books in our system. And you know, this single book can be thrown away by all. We don't like such books because we have the machine-like books. We don't have such old books. And we have millions of books. Why should I think much about the one book or physical books, which after reading becomes waste, becomes useless? Then Tommy gives an explanation about the school. Margie is told that schools were the buildings and teachers come to that building from outside. Students from the neighboring houses join that school. They read together. They discuss together. Then Margie develops a fascination, an interest towards reading the book, towards the old teachers, towards the old school. She becomes quite inquisitive to know about the school, to know about the teachers, to know about the old days, and probably she is missing something in the e-classroom because there is no fun, there is no togetherness, it is all alone. Learning takes place with a single person, there are no classmates, there are no batchmates. Everything becomes machine and there is nothing like human. But she is more interested towards the fun because learning is a joyful activity. Learning is a fun. You cannot, close them down to a system in a single room where there is no playground, no fun, no eating together, no dancing together. It is all in isolation. But a young girl like Margie, a young student like Tommy, they want inclusion. They want merrymaking. They want fun and they want joy. So Margie is developing an interest towards the old school where she wants to go to read. Now you can have two options. You can have just like a debate, like which school you prefer, whether the school where human beings teach and whether the school where machines teach or e-learning takes place. Let me interpret it from both the angles. For example, in e-classroom, people of IT age, IT means information technology, they want to keep pace with the society. They want to do such things which the whole society is following. They do not want to become an odd man out. So they want to read in this classroom, machine learning classroom and robotic teachers, scan-based evaluation, computer-based evaluation, homework, all are, inserted in the system. Different slots are there. So people want to become trendy. They want to become trendsetter. And learning is programmed. It is not flexible. Because a machine teacher cannot read your emotion, what is going inside your mind. what sort of doubts that you are going to raise, what sort of queries that you find. But on the other hand, if you come to a classroom, a general classroom, you will find human teachers. And a teacher's talk and a piece of chalk, it can transform a whole world. So you can say T, T and C. Teacher's talk and a piece of chalk can replace the machine learning, the huge learning that takes place in the new age. Right? And learning is for fun. It is not to, just to get grades, to complete assignments and all those. So you can interpret it in both the angles. Students, watch the video, read the text, and please log into the standard WhatsApp group or your YouTube channel. You will find the notes and other details. And if you have any queries, kindly drop me a line. We will be happy to meet your queries and demands. Thank you, students.